So guys, I got the updates for you guys. I got two updates for you guys. There's a free update and a paid update, guys. Currently, so I'll just drop to you guys the free update because this is what you guys have been waiting for so far. So this free update is called Goodwall app, guys. It's called Goodwall. First things first, you don't have to rush into it right now because I don't want to waste time. As I show on the app, and I go just rush enter. You don't have to rush into it right now. Wait, let me give you small information about it. First things first, you have to register with the link I'll be sending to you in order for you to be able to start this app correctly, in order for you to be able to earn in this app correctly. So first things first, let's dive right into my screen for me to show you how the app works, guys. So guys, you come over here and you see the app. This is the app over here. Goodwall app, guys. Goodwall app. So you can see I told you guys it's a free update. So this is the app right now. So you can see it's verified. It's verified, guys. As you can see over here, I currently have 2 USDC. 2 USDC, guys. I just started the app. Just started it, and I've gotten a lot of reviews online. You can make your research though, but I've gotten a lot of reviews online that it's a free app and it's legit. It's actually paying, guys. As you can see, win $10, win $25 over here. Win $25, as you can see. Win $10, win $1 for your first valid post. Win $25. So there are more, guys. So this is my account currently. Yeah, this is my account currently. Posted 2 videos already. So in case you want to join this Goodwall app, the first thing you need to do is to first things first, go to create an account. Go to create an account. So let me say I'm logging out right now. Let me just say I'm logging out right now. So the first thing you need to do is to go to create an account. Make sure you don't click this continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple. Make sure you don't click it. You click this, enter your email or phone number. See, guys, you click this, enter your email or phone number. So you can either enter your email, because let's just say you're using your email. Let's say you're email. Say you're using this email over here. Yeah. Yeah, let's say using it because say this email is already registered. If I didn't this email has not been registered before, you just clicked on it, use the email to log in, then set up your password and the rest. Voila, you are in the app. So once you log into this app, it will show. Let me just log in, guys. So successfully log into this app. Now once you log in, you see something like this in this place. So if this complete or end does not show in your account, remember you did not log in correctly. You didn't log in, you didn't register correctly. So this complete to end must show in your account for you to be successful. Now, so once you have logged in successfully and this community has shown your account, what you have to do is to put in a profile picture. You put in a profile picture, guys, in order for them to not know you guys. So you put in a profile picture. So once you have set your profile picture, you click this complete to end. Click the complete to end. You verify your identity. So I've done mine already. So you just keep your account secure by verifying your identity. It's just a facial verification. So you can do that. You verify your identity. The next thing to do is to partake or participate in a challenge. So you click this participate in a challenge. It will send you to join a challenge. I've done it already. You just join in challenge. So this is where you can, if you click that place, to redirect you to somewhere like this. I seen, guys, featured challenge. So this is one I did. I did this Gen AI. So they will tell you what to do. You can say if you want how it works. Just learn about generative AI. Watch all these educative videos over here. The next thing to do after you watch those videos, you showcase your understanding. That is, you make a video of generative AI. Just say a little bit about generative AI. Then you take a quiz. After you submit your after you submit, just the quiz like 2 questions. Once you do the quiz, voila, you'll be rewarded for this particular. You rewarded 2 USDC for this particular challenge over here. So that's how I got mine, and you can get yours too. So once you have done that, you come here again. Then once you have validated your challenge, this last eligible entry will be green ticked. It will be ticked green, guys, for you. So that is it. Then you are in successfully. So concerning the withdrawals, if you want to withdraw, this is what you can just click on your wallet or above there, and it will take you to this wallet. So there are many ways to earn. You can earn by impact actions, you can earn by your invite, you can earn by incentive surveys, and you can earn by challenges, guys. Whatever method you can use, just utilize this app. It's free to start, it's free to register, and you can get things done on it. So once you reach your 35 USDC, you can withdraw your money ASAP. You can withdraw money, guys. It's not wasting time. You can withdraw your money, guys. I've started, so let's just see how it goes in the future. In case you want to sign up, remember to message me before you sign up for you to be able to register your account correctly with this complete to earn, so we can get started as soon as possible. So if you like this kind of content, please follow me, like this video, and share to your friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video.